Francis turbine. The main parts of the Francis turbines are casing, guide vanes, runner and a draft tube. These are the four main parts of a Francis turbine. Let us see the working of a parts one by one. In the casing, the water enters from the penstock to the scroll casing, which is surrounded the runner. The scroll casing is in a spiral shape. The casing is provided to decrease the cross sectional area uniformly along the circumference to keep the fluid velocity is constant. In the casing, the cross sectional area is uniformly along the circumference to keep the fluid velocity constant. In the guide vanes are provided around the runner. The purpose of the guide vanes are to direct the water on the runner blade without shock. So the water from the penstock and it is entering into the casing, and the guide vanes are provided around the runner. The purpose of the guide vane is to direct the water on a runner blade without shock. To convert the pot of pressure energy into the kinetic energy. The function of the guide vanes, it is also convert the pot of pressure energy is converted into kinetic energy, and it is also to regulate the flow while the load changes. The main function of the guide vane is to direct the water on a runner blade without shock and some convert the pot of pressure energy into kinetic energy, and it is also to regulate the flow while the load changing. This is the main function of the purpose of the guide vanes. And the third part is the runner. The runner is a circular wheel on which the curved blades are fixed. The water enters from the periphery towards the center of the runner without shock. The water leaves the blade axially from the runner and entering into the draft tube. The runner is completely immersed in a liquid. That is the function of the runner. It is a circular wheel on which the curved blades are mounted. The water enters from the periphery towards the center of the runner without shock, and the water leaves here. The water is entering the peripherally towards the center and it leaves the axially from the runner and entering into the draft tube. The function of the draft tube is it is the variable cross section which connect the runner exit. The draft tube is connected to the exit of the runner to the tail race. The purpose of the draft tube is to convert the kinetic energy of leaving fluid into the pressure energy. Here the guide vanes part of the pressure energy is converted into kinetic energy, whereas the draft tube the convert the kinetic energy of leaving fluid after it passing through the guide vanes and the runner it going to draft tube, where the draft tube the part of kinetic energy is converted into pressure energy. It permits the turbine set above the tail race. These are the two major function of the draft tube is to convert the part of kinetic energy of a leaving fluid into the pressure energy, and it is also permit the turbine set above the tail race. So there are the the working of a the main components of casing, guide vanes, runner and draft tube.